Don't worry, you have come to the right channel. Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, Philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Excel.
How to format data as dates in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. When we enter dates in Microsoft Excel, they are stored as numbers. When we enter dates, they are formatted automatically to be displayed as dates. When we enter, for example, 20/4, it will change to 20 April. This can be annoying when we enter something that is not meant to be displayed as a date, or we want to display a different format of the date. By default, there is no way we can change it. The numbers that represent the dates are serial numbers. Serial numbers start from January 1st, 1900. Stay tuned to learn how to format data as dates in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. When we enter dates in Microsoft Excel, they are formatted automatically to be displayed as dates. When we want to format them as a different type of date, we must select the area of cells which need to be formatted, and then from the Home tab of the ribbon, we locate the area named Number. If we select more accounting formats, or if we select the arrow located at the bottom right corner of the number area of the ribbon, it displays the following message. Number format. Don't see what you are looking for? Check out the full set of number formatting options. Once we select the number format command, the Format Cells dialog box will appear. The tab that is activated is the number, and the category activated is the date. At the right of the dialog box, we have the following. Sample, we have a preview of how the date will be displayed. Type, we can select from a variety of different date formats. Locale, location, we can change the location so that the date will be displayed in a different format. For example, the Greek format of a date is different from the format of an English date. At the bottom of the Format Cells dialog box, we are notified with the following. Date formats display date and time serial numbers as date values. Date formats that begin with an asterisk respond to changes in regional date and time settings that are specified for the operating system. Formats without an asterisk are not affected by operating system settings. Whatever adjustments we make, we must press the OK button located at the bottom corner of the Format Cells dialog box. We can see how the dates have been formatted. From the Format Cells dialog box and with the date category activated, I select a different date format, and from the drop-down menu of the Locate location, I have selected a different location. By selecting a different location, the date format will change also. We can see the different formats of the dates, and we notice also that they are displayed differently because the location has changed.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.